My name is Kim Neuschel, and we are standing in the Lowell School garden. Okay, well, it's not the growing season, so we're going to see an empty garden, but what you are seeing is, if you look over here, some community beds. You'll notice that they're higher, so kids that are in wheelchairs can access these beds, or kids with mobility issues. How do you create a green space that engages the kids is a lot of the conversation we're having. So how can they immerse in nature so that the rest of this sort of does zone out, so that they can feel that they're connected to the earth, right? That they are connected to their food, that they're connected to one another. Our vision was to design a garden that was accessible to all students, where every student would have access. So there is a garden bed for every grade level. There's a garden bed for the OTs and PTs, so the occupational therapists and the physical therapists, for kids with special needs and physical disabilities, and those beds are raised. There are community beds as well, so we can grow food for community events. And then there are other just perennial beds with fruits and raspberries and gooseberries and things like that, that anybody from the community can just come graze on and eat. Honestly, it's pure joy to watch the transformation of everything that is coming, and then watching the kids utilize it and be outdoors. To me, that's the essence of what this was. It was about getting kids outdoors, getting them connected to their place, their space, bringing some ownership to that, bringing some pride to that, some beauty. Yeah, I'm really proud. I'm proud of this community. I'm thankful. I'm really thankful for everybody who supported and donated. And, we had probably 50 people that built this in a day. And this was not a small building project, I will just say. It was tremendous what this community did in a single day. So the Community Reinvestment Fund really has helped build Lowell's community. Because what this space is to us is about bringing people together to enjoy the outdoors, to connect to nature and to connect to one another. And that, to me, is the essence